program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Hindi na totoo kasi yung nangyayari eh. Kalokohan eh. Inisip ko nga parang, baka naman ganun lang talaga. Bakit na gusto mong iba yun sa'yo? Ikaw, kung kaya mo, na pag sinabi sa'yo yun, patalong ka, okay yun. That's not how I want to approach life. Precisely what I'm looking for. Not knowing what I'm looking for. My choices are still evolving at this point. I didn't appear here today na I'm going to pretend like with a backpack full of knowledge and wisdom. Hindi ko ako magpapretend ng ganun kasi I still have so many questions left unanswered. Hindi pa siya na-discuss in my head. Anong gagawin ko? Tapos sabi ko, kung kaya nitong gawin to, I can definitely learn something from this one. It's something I can do. Somehow, it made me realize something. Dami mo kayang magagawa dito. I guess it changed my life.
Philippines and the world, welcome to my playground.
Enemy number one!
SWAT.
Kita ko sa mata mo eh. Pag yung tao, tumingin sa kanan, ibig sabihin nun nagsisinungaling siya. Hindi ako nagsisinungaling.
Kung meron man proseso, maybe that was the gift to begin with. A gift na hindi ka naman aware dyan eh. Binibigay lang yan sa'yo. Binibigay sa'yo ng moment, binibigay sa'yo ng tadhana, binibigay sa'yo ng pagkakataon na, see? Nagtugma-tugma. Diba? Nagtugma-tugma kayo ng galaw. Yung araw, yung mga kuliglig, yung gabi, lahat kayo. Parang naging isang symphony. Kahit sinong taong may process, hindi ko alam kung kaya mong sabihin na yung performance mo, kaya mo lang i-attribute sa proseso mo. It's nice to be open. Sabihin ko lang is just be open. Know your responsibilities. Napakaswerte mo.
Hindi marunong magbigay. Diyos ko naman, wala ba kayong pinagsamahan? Ang sa akin lang kasi, baka naman pwede tayong maging masaya. Kahit ngayon lang.
Muntik na akong mag-give up. Dito tayo. I'm living my life comfortably beyond that word. Sobra, and every day talagang nagpapasalamat ako dahil nakakapag-provide ako ng comfort, hindi lang sa sarili ko, hindi lang din sa pamilya ko, pati sa mga taong hindi ko kamag-anak, random people, and above all, I have a very good support system. My family, my friends, na nagre-remind sa akin constantly how to be a good person. Because after all the success, after all the being number one, being the best, at the end of the day, you just wanna be a good person. Kasi maraming taong pagka may narating na, ganyan, nag-iba na lahat. I have a certain approach sa buhay ko. Kaya hindi ako takot eh. Tanggalin mo sa akin ito ngayon lahat. Yun siguro yung edge mo sa iba. Pagkagaling ka sa baba, alam mo yung kung paano mahirapan. At this point, wala akong inaalala. Kung meron man, hindi naman sa lagi mong inaalala na para bang napaparaning ka na. At this point, really, talagang punong-puno lang ako ng pasasalamat. And I know, darating yung araw na magbabago siya, hindi naman pwedeng constantly ganito na eh. You cross the bridge when you get there. It's always a test of character. Hindi naman yung problema nagmamatter. In the end, it's how you will rise above it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not saying sorry before na nasaktan kita. Yung kasing ang inisip ko, sarili ko lang. Yung nararamdaman ko lang. Yung gusto ko lang. I'm sorry, naging madamot ako.
Medyo crowded dun sa isang daan. That's really true. Diba? Parang when it gets crowded, teka lang, are you making the right decisions? Are you making the right choices? Are you behaving the way you want? Talagang binabago tayo in many ways na pwede mong ma-imagine. Akala mo parang you had it all figured out, pero bigla kang may mangyayari sa'yo na parang, and then you realize parang,
Hindi na ako yan Teka lang, take a step back. Yung pag-step back ko, medyo lumayo. I got tired of fighting. I want to see on until such time na may nagbe-build up na resistance. It's better to burn out daw than to fade away. Pwede siyang, yun, nandun din siya nakapaloob. But ang totoo is, I was evolving, I guess. And it was too complex for me to understand or comprehend. And calling it burnout was a combination of so many issues. Maraming unresolved questions, discontinued dialogue. Hindi lang yun na pag-uusapan, hindi lang siya nakikita as an angle. I was meant to be lost, I guess. I was in search of it's very disappointing what I found out. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang motivation. Kung ano man yung hinahanap natin. Hindi ko talaga matanggal sa akin yung pagka kaya natin to i-correct meron tayong chance. Kasi kung sisimulan natin sa wala na tayong pag-uusapan or sarado ka agad, then, para na rin natin tinatanggap na ito na yun, ang bilis ng panahon, di ba? Kaya rin siguro parang nagkaroon ako ng gana na to open up again. Tingin ko, yung going back to mas grounded, diba? Mas simple, di ba? Parang normal lang talaga na bumalik sa ganung klase ng choices and lifestyle. But that's not the entire reason bakit ako tumigil. Totoo yung yung pag hindi mo nagagawa yung gusto mo, nagkakaroon ka ng imbalance. Hindi naman sa naghahanap ako na kung anong madali, pero hindi ko sila ma-convince, hindi ko nagawa. Hindi mo ako kailangan. After all, you made me feel like I never even existed. You told me to my face, I'm never giving you the pleasure of calling me a loser every single day again. Why live to disappoint you? It's my greatest joy. Medyo mahirap siya kailangan mong tiisin, dapat may certain balance You cannot take it against tao din ako. I knew already I was gonna be emotional, alam ko na. That certain question talagang hindi ko na kinaya. After this, hindi ko alam kung makikita ko pa sila ulit or baka sa ibang pagkakataon na. Definitely, it's gonna be in a different light, di ba? It doesn't matter. Iba-iba yung upbringing ng lahat. There are actors, celebrities na they try to live the celebrity lifestyle. And yun yung buhay nila. And walang problema dun. Sa kanila yun. Okay lang yun. I can respect that. Kaya lang ako, yung upbringing ko iba. This is my job. Pero after my job, I have a life. I have a life outside my job. Para sa akin, yun yung mas nagmamatter. My life with my family, my life with my friends, the things that I do outside work, yung ako, yung where I can be myself. Kaya hindi ako takot Some people say, masyado kang diretso, minsan nakakalimutan mo artista ka. But I don't know, should I say sorry? I'm also a human being. Mabubuhay lang ako isang beses lang. I have to live my life. And I think I deserve to live my life the way I want it, not just for myself. One of my greatest dreams in life is to be a good provider para sa sarili kong pamilya. It's not easy. I make sure na, they can live comfortably. Wala silang hinihingi from me. It's just that it's a want. It's a need for me. Hindi ko alam. In this business, hanggat hindi siya nangyayari, wala. Hindi siya sigurado.
Tigilan na ho natin to. Hindi nyo kailangan gawin to. Wala ko kayong utang sa akin. So kung ginagawa nyo lang to, para mas gumana ang pakiramdam nyo, sana huwag nyo na akong idamay.
Siguro nasa punto ako na susundan ko na lang yung trabaho na malapit sa puso ko. Kung magsasama-sama kami ulit, mas may chance ang magkaroon ng trabaho ang lahat. Parang it was the right time to be kind to myself. It was the right time to start the journey of unlearning. Prior to that, mga 2 dekada akong kayod ng kayo. Acquiring yung mga natututunan natin. May mga kaakibat din siyang mga bagay na kakapit sa'yo na mahihirapan kang pagpaminga muna. Dito ako napadpad. Ikaw yung nagmamasid. Ikaw yung nakatulala sa paligid mo. Para sa mga panahon na yon, para sa isang katulad ko na nagnanais lang naman na tumahimik, hindi ka mawawala ng dahilan para mag-extend at bumalik ng bumalik.
Thank you.
isa't isa. Maybe it's about time we change that. Maybe we could be friends.
Siyempre, yung mga ganong pagkakataon, hindi lalakas loob ko. Hindi mabubuo yung nag-udyok sa akin na bumalik at magtrabaho ulit. Para siyang finally nabuo na. Dati, muntik akong makatapak dito. Hindi lang nagkatuluyan. Pero ngayon, finally, it took us how long? Years. Tingin ko, ito yung tamang panahon, tamang oras, nandito ako. Siyempre, hindi naman, kumbaga, ano man ang mga nangyari, dapat hindi mawala yung respeto. At nanto, di ba, ano ba tayong lahat? Diba? Mga tao tayo na dapat hindi mawala yung respeto sa isa't isa. Kinailangan ko munang I wanted to be kind to myself again. Hindi ko na maunawaan kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko. Parang nawawala yung direksyon. Hindi mo na hawak yung mga nangyayari sa bawat araw. Nawala yung hawak mo. Matuto kung paano yun. Gusto kong matutunan kung paano ba yung... Hindi ko na maramdaman yung growth noon sa isang katulad ko na hanapin yun at trabahuhin at para marating ko yun. Para siyang laging work in progress. Patuloy mo siyang tatrabahuin sa araw-araw na ginagawa mo. Very happy. I couldn't be happier. Bihira tong ganito. Mabigyan ka ng pagkakataon. Mabigyan ka ng one more chance. Kailangan alagaan.
Mahal, ayoko na meron kaming nililihim sa isa't isa. Ayoko na lang ganun. Kaya kailangan malaman niya. So, matauhan siya. Sige nga, kung malaman niya yung totoo, di sumama lalo loob niya sa akin kasi nagsinungaling ako. Sa akin lang, kung mahal mo yung tao, panagutan mo yung nagawa mo.
Hindi nila kasalanan na ganun yung pananaw nila about certain struggles of like real struggle. Why people resort to pasok dito, labas dito. Kasi hindi naman nila alam Hindi mo sila pwedeng condemn or sisihin sa isang bagay na limited yung kanilang pangunawa. Kailangan mo intindihan, unawain dahil iba-iba kayo ng pananaw sa buhay, iba-iba kayo ng values. Or I thought I was in love. Naniniwala ako sa love. We do things para sa mga love natin. They're just wild, di ba? Parang out of character and you'll never know kung anong pwede mong gawin when you're in love. Mas grounded lang yung, I guess, yung approach. It's always a process of dealing with yourself, like finding yourself, like speaking to yourself. Naging mas interesting than the rest is yung paano ka ulit natuto na tumingin at magbigay ng halaga sa nasa paligid mo. Far beyond what you can imagine. Gets ko naman na it's all part of the game. Yung ngayon medyo ibang level na, but talagang dapat mag-focus tayo dun sa what we can control. Sometimes parang may mga tanong talaga na I wish kayang sagutin ng yes or no, pero baka hindi tayo magkausap. Probably. Dahil nirespeto ko yung tao, ayoko naman pwede naman din kasi natin itawid Magaling ako umarte. Hindi ko naman masasabi na pang wow, like kuhang-kuha ko yung kung ano yung practice nila. Inevitably, magkakaroon ka ng better grasp, like better understanding of what's around you. Para sa akin, maswerte na ako. You get to observe paano sila mabuhay and somehow you get a picture kung what transpires. It doesn't feel normal anymore na iniwan mo lang dun yung dialogue. Malaking parte yun nung decision. It's always a composition. And when you get to contribute, parang somehow, okay, may nagawa ka. Nakapaloob pa rin ako sa isang journey. I don't really take note of what's new or not, or what's new, what's old, what's vital. Gusto ko lang siyang mag-unfold on its own. I don't want it reduced into something na it's not.
Teka, sigurado ka bang tapos na?
Nung napatawad ko na ng sarili ko, nung nagawa ko ng ipagpasalamat yung sitwasyon ko, nung nahawi na yung galit at sakit. Ang totoo naman, may sariling buhay at journey ang mga choices natin di ba? And the sooner you realize that, the sooner you'll be okay. Kaya, I think I'm okay for all the pain. Pero may pinto. Sigurado ako may kakatok at kakatok dyan.
Yeah, I really wanted to be part of this because I really fell in love with the journey. I love that it's very intimate and personal and quiet, that eventually exploded. I fell in love with that. That's something that mattered to me. I wanted the story to be told. I just want to be able to do as many characters, as many roles as possible, because I believe that every character is a journey, and that's my trip. Even as a human being, I like, we call it privilege. It's a rare privilege. We can actually live other people's lives. I like that part. What seems like, I like the fact that my work kind of surprises me every time. So who knows what I get to do next? Maybe you're too boring. Everybody likes these people that I work. I was able to take part as early as that. Yeah, it's nice to get personal with what you do. I'm a sponge. I like to open up to a lot of energies, even the negative ones. But that's part of my. Somehow I like that process. I like how it washes me and then fill me and it's like a vicious cycle. I'm sure you know what I mean. We live in a shithole. Life is tough for most people. You can call yourself crazy. If you want to do it, man. Nothing should stop you, even the dangers. It's our own. I can't really say otherwise. We're lucky to have around, and we have somehow a chance or an opportunity to be performing level.
Alam ko, dahil buong buhay ko, sinubukan kong mahalin ang sarili ko. Nahirapan din ako. I'm a work in progress kahit ganito ako. Kaya ko pa yung magmahal kahit na ano. So please, don't give up on me.
Ipa-fast forward natin ang orasan. Laktawan natin ang kabanata ng buhay. Hihinga lang ako. Malay mo, bukas iba na ang ikot ng mundo. Wala nang bukas, puro gabi. Wala nang liwanag, wala nang bahagkari. Dilim ang naghari. Tigil muna.
Kung ano or kung gaano kasagana yung career niya dati or buhay niya dati. Pero tignan natin is kung paano tayo makakatulong. Pagka naman may lumalapit, hindi naman natin tinitignan kung ano yung lagay ng lumalapit eh. Diba? Pansinin mo, pag may lumalapit sa'yo, ang una mong iniisip, teka, may tutulong ba ako? Mas gusto kong tignan kung ano yung pwede kong maitulong. Kung meron, kung maluwag-luwag tayo, kung nakakakuha tayo ng mga konting blessing, syempre, mas maganda kung ibabahagi natin. Hindi na ako nagpapasalamat sa kung anong meron ka, dahil nakikita mo na kung parang luminaw ba. Diba? Wala na yung mga agam-agam mo or paghahangad mo dun sa kung ano yung wala ka. Kasi mas sumimple rin naman. Nagpaikot-ikot ka pa, simple lang pala siya. Makita mo kung ano yung meron ka at makita mo yung halaga kung ano yung meron ka.
Tigil muna. Hihinga lang ako. Ihipunin lang ang lakas ng aking mundo. Baka sa susunod okay na ako. Sa kinabukas ang hirap ipanalo. Tigil na. Wala na akong oras.
Swat!